Today we are assembling a drive transfer chair. Let's see, what did I see? A transfer tub bench. This came off of Amazon. There you see the item numbers. I've done packed most of it. The back, whatever this thing's going to end up being, probably, I don't know. We'll find out. Looks like you got two legs. Two of the big ones. Got big cups on them and two small ones and two bars. So let me pull this out and see if there's instructions. No instructions. Shouldn't be that hard anyway, but we'll see. So since I'm doing this one-handed, don't have a tripod today. My helper's over on her phone. Here we go. See, this came off of Amazon. So let me get this unwrapped and then we'll come right back. Now we just need to insert this. You have spring-loaded tabs right under there. And you'll have to remove these black caps. Again, another two-handed process. Okay, here's A. You're going to put these tabs towards this hole. And it can be a little tight sometimes to get it to fit. Then you're going to press that tab, and it should go down in there and snap in. Yeah. One of these days I got to hire. Should snap in there. Okay, snapped in there. Finally, you just have to keep pushing that, make sure it's all the way out. Make sure it's nice and snug so it doesn't slip off. Now we're going to do the other A. See if I can do this in one hand. Again, a little tab. Going to go towards that hole. There we go. Press the tab and push down at the same time. There we go. I'm waiting for it to hear it snap in there. Again, sometimes it takes two hands to do this. Okay, she just popped out. So, it's in there tight. And according to the instructions, now we probably should do B. I don't know what it said. Attach leg with small rubber tip, marked B, by depressing the brass push pin, inserting into the receptacle with matching B. Okay, those down at the other end are B's, and we're going to use the small-footed ones. You've done seen how I did it here. Let me go down there and do those, and I'll bring it right back. Okay, got both of these snapped in. Oh, thing's light as a feather. And that's what we have so far. Of course, I did move one of those legs down just to see. So, our next step is going to be... I know what that thing is. Transfer bench right side up. Attach armrest by depressing the brass push pins and sliding into arm receptacle on the side of the bench. Make sure the arm arcs outward, not inward. Well, okay, the only place it could go is there, and like the instruction said, we want to make sure it arches outward. Okay, this is the side. It pointed out. Now I had to kind of push it in because these was kind of spread out. So then you'll push these tabs down. Again, two-handed job. So let me push these tabs down right here until they snap out right there. Okay, now that we've got the side on, and it is pointed outward, we're going to put the seat on. And it just says simply to assemble backrest, the backrest. Insert pole into backrest support by depressing push pins, just like we did before. Repeat for a second one. And your backrest, you can see them right there. We can take these two, and they will go in like so. So, let me get that. I'll show you. Okay, real quick, something to consider when you're putting your backrest in is which way the large feet, obviously, suction cup's going to go in the tub. Your smaller one's going to go outside, and so your seat's over here on the, obviously, in the tub side. But depending on which way your tub's facing, which way you're going to want the backrest. So make sure you take that in consideration before putting your backrest on, because it will go either way right here. You see both these have holes for your pins, so it will go either way. So take that in consideration, or you'll be redoing this step. And these just slide right into the seat. Yeah, it really helps to have both hands free, but hey, we can do it with one, right? There we go, just like that. Now your seat goes right inside here. By the way, obviously. You may have to spread it apart, and look here, and it will go there, like that. And if you need it closer, you can actually go there. There's your seat on your transfer, just like that. Like I said, if you need the seat farther back, then you adjust it. That's the nice thing about these. The feet also adjust up and down. Let's see if I can show you that. Yeah. There's no hardware other than these quick. You just push. And you can adjust these feet at whatever height you need. Okay. And that pretty much concludes putting this together. Yeah, it says obviously place the suction cups with the legs with suction cups in the tub. Note, back support is reversible to accommodate left or right tub entry, just like I was saying before. So even if you do get it wrong the first time, it's not a biggie to change these over. So I hope that helps somebody. If you've done one of these, just leave me a comment below whether you like these or not. So anyway, this person ordered it off of Amazon. Believe, here comes my helper now. He just woke up from a nap. Ate some Mexican food, and I think he's ready for another nap, ain't you? Oh, he's looking at me like, Dad, don't tell everybody I take lots of naps. Okay, we're out of here. Thank you for watching.